Oh shit, let's check this box. Got my shit. About to plug this shit up to the car right now. And if this guage cluster work, that car go home this weekend. Alright, come from over here. Oh shit. Moment of truth, people. Moment of truth.
I am recording.
Okay. Battery's dead.
Yeah, hey, it's some bullshit.
Nothing still.
So we got a bit of smoke coming from the headers. I'm not sure what it's from. Either it's from the dust from it sitting so long, or
The new headers, they've only got like
yeah,
45 seconds of runtime.
Yeah, that or just gaskets setting in. I don't know. I'm not a mechanic.
There's a lot of oil from us holding it too.
Yeah.
It's going home Saturday. That's it. It's going home. Done.
About to get hit with that major copyright.
My grand folks, window are down. So yes, that box did somewhat fix the issue. My temperature gauge actually goes up. I would start it right now, but we got some things going on here. But I just wanted to close this video out, let you guys know. You see, wheels are back on, so that means one thing: she's down and ready to roll. All right, so we even had a check engine light come on. Had to pull the ECU. You know, you gotta count dots and read it the old school way because it's an OBD1. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. So until I get to the house and we continue, and then we get back to some good old-fashioned body work. I'm gonna do this one first since it's the worst. I gotta rip it and put on more Lord Fuser, get it done the right way. All right, that'll be it for this video. I appreciate y'all as always. It got dark, dang. And let's get this car home, start doing some body work, and get ready to lay paint here in a couple months. My end time for having this thing painted is September. By then we should have all the issues worked out. I have it back in here on and off. Me and Adam can mock up the downpipe and everything, get it over to Bobby. He's in charge of Slide Kings. Check out our YouTube, Slide Kings, and have this thing welded up. All right, I'm not gonna practice on my downpipe. It ain't gonna happen. But hey, appreciate y'all as always. Thank you for stopping in. And if you're first time, subscribe. Make sure you like this video if you do, and drop a comment. Catch y'all in the next video.